Do you know that Somnia Meme shares its revenue with its users? If you're an active participant on Somnia Meme, you can be paid for life as long as Somnia Meme platform exists. They have decided to share about 40% of their revenue with its users. Somnia Meme is the first crypto platform to ever do such a thing like this, to take about 40% of their revenue and share it with their users. And for you to qualify, you need to meet certain conditions. You need to hold at least one of these two keys, or both of them, the yellow pass key and the purple pass key. However, the purple pass key has been sold out because this is the only one that they attach the price to. This purple key has already been sold out. What you need to do now is to make sure that you get the yellow pass key so that you can share 15% of the platform's revenue, and 30,000 of this yellow key is the total amount that will be in existence. So far 4,000 has already been minted. So if you want to get a yellow key, what do you need to do? Simple. First of all, you need to meet two of these conditions: perform at least 10 trades on the platform and launch a MemeCoin. All you have to do is simply just launch a MemeCoin and then perform 10 trades. Then you'll be able to claim this yellow pass key, and then you will share 15% of their revenue as long as the platform exists. This is the first crypto project to ever do such a thing like this. In order for you to understand how big this is, imagine a platform like Pump.fun that makes millions daily decide to share its revenue with some of its users. Everybody could be making a huge amount of money. So if you really believe in Somnia and the network, you should take advantage of this right now so that you'll be positioned to make money even without making any trades at all. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to complete this task so that you can also qualify. And this task is simply how to launch a MemeCoin. So stay with me to the end of this video, because by the end of this video, you will learn how to launch a MemeCoin, and you also claim your yellow pass key so that you can be earning reward as long as Somnia Meme is active and making money. In order for us to get started with launching your own MemeCoin, come to somnia.meme and connect your wallet. Once your wallet is connected, I will advise you to use the same wallet you use for your Somnia Airdrop. If you did not qualify for Somnia Airdrop, no problem, just buy Somnia token, send to your wallet and come to the website. Then you click on launch token. From the launch your token platform, you need to fill in a form. Now, one good thing about a platform like Somnia.meme is that they let you launch tokens without writing code. You don't need to know how to write code. You don't need to be a programmer. You just need to fill a form and then upload a picture, and that is it. So in order for you to do that, you need to choose a name for your token, and then you also need to choose a token symbol. And then on the left hand side here, you need to upload the picture of your meme. So let me just go through my gallery and see any picture I can use for that. I want to use this picture here. I want to use this picture for my meme, right? So this is the picture I want to use, and then I will give it a name. I will call it Praying Somzi. All right, so this token symbol, I'll just call it Pray. Okay, so now if you want to take your MemeCoin serious, like if you want to launch a MemeCoin that you take seriously, you need to add social media accounts. So but it is optional, so you can create a Discord group for your meme token. If you want to take it serious, push it on Twitter or on social media so that it will become big. Put a Discord group, or put your Twitter profile link here, your X profile link, put it here. Just copy it and put. If you create a website for your meme token, good and fine, copy the link of the website and put it here, and then Telegram channel. All right, so this is for social media. It is very easy to launch MemeCoins, very easy. You don't need, just like fill in a form and then you click on launch. Initial buy means if you want to buy some of your token as you are launching it, you are also buying it as the dev. If you want to own some supply of it, you can buy. So any amount that you decide to buy, please put it here, and it is measured in Somi, not dollars. All right, it is measured in Somi, not dollars. So try to know at the time you are launching, try to know how much Somi is worth so that you can decide. Now once your MemeCoin reaches a certain market cap, it's going to be migrated and launched on a decentralized exchange automatically. That is, like, your token will be listed on the decentralized exchange. So far there are 2 decentralized exchanges on Somnia Network, and they are Somnia Exchange and Somnex. Somnex is the first decentralized exchange aggregator on Somnia. So one of these exchange will be the one your token will be migrated to. So depending on the one you feel more favorable to, you choose any of the exchange here. I urge you to use Somnex because Somnex has more volume, and believe me, I prefer Somnex on a personal level. So when you choose your Somnex, which is your exchange, then you can proceed. Verify that you are human. Okay, you need to verify that you are human, and then the next thing is launch token. Okay, so to launch here, you're going to see 3.5. This is the fee it costs to launch your MemeCoin. Very, very cheap. This is not up to $5 at the current market rate of Sumi. So $3.5 is what you will spend to launch your MemeCoin on Somnia Meme. So I'll click on confirm, and that is it. Guys, I just launched my MemeCoin on Somnia Meme. If you want to see the coin that you just launched, you need to go to your profile section. That is where you're going to see the MemeCoin that you launched. So where is my profile section? Okay, this is your profile here. You can see home, leaderboard, and profile. When you come to profile section, you're going to see all the coins that you have, and also the coins that you have launched. So these are coins that I have in my wallet that I have bought on this page here, and then the ones I've launched, you can see it here under launched. So this is it. Once you launch your MemeCoin, it will first of all start at a market cap of 885. This is the default market cap. So as more people keep buying, it will keep increasing in daily volume and in daily market cap. Now this curve, remember I told you that at a certain stage your token will be migrated and launched on a decentralized exchange, which is Somnex, right? Now when this curve is called a bonding curve, once it gets to 100%, then it will be migrated to the decentralized exchange called Somnex. Then, but for it to get to this stage here, a lot of people need to buy. So you need to copy this link and share it, because once anybody clicks on this link, it will bring them directly to this page so that they can buy. Once they buy, the volume will increase, the market cap will increase, and then the bonding curve will also increase. In order for you to mint this yellow passkey, you know that I have launched my MemeCoin, right? You need to perform 10 trades. These 10 trades here, you can buy any token 10 times. For example, this is your token that you just launched right now. You can come to the buy section and buy it with Somi. All right, you can decide to buy with as little as 0.01. As long as you make purchase 10 times, you will automatically be qualified to claim your yellow passkey. Now I'm going to claim because I have completed everything, right? So what this means is that once I claim this revenue key, 15% of every amount of money that this exchange, that this platform makes, will be shared among 30,000 of us that are holding this key. So if Somnia Meme gets to at least half of what Pump.fun is, people with this key are going to make serious money. I've said it that Purple Pass key has already been minted completely because only 1,000 of it was available and it has been minted fully. So you cannot mint this one anymore. But now that you're watching this video, there's still enough time for you to complete this and claim from this particular yellow pass key so that you'll be qualified and get your reward. So I will click on claim my revenue key. You can see that the network fee, I am not charged anything to mint this yellow key, right? I am not charged anything, only the gas fee. So I will confirm to get my reward. And guys, that is it. You have successfully claimed the yellow pass key. So right now, as it is now, I have a purple pass key and I have a yellow pass key. Now if you want to check your keys, just come to this place here and you click my keys. It is from here that you will see the keys that you have. My yellow pass key has not reflected yet, but once my yellow pass key reflects, I'm going to see it there. This is my purple pass key. I've had this for more than 24 hours. Now, if you go to your wallet, and you go to NFT, from your wallet section, if you go to NFTs, you are going to see your keys. This is my key, this is my yellow pass key, this is my purple key. All right, they are NFTs, so you always have them in your wallet. If you send it out to somebody, the person will be the one to claim the reward. Now, after a while, after claiming your keys, you come to portal. Once you click on portal, it will bring you to this platform. This is where you come to claim your reward. Remember that I told you that I have had the purple pass key for a while, right? So the purple pass key that I've had for a while, this is the reward that has been generated so far. Just by having one purple pass key in 24 hours, I have gotten a reward of 2.1 Somnia. And you can see my yellow pass key has shown here. So now I have my yellow pass key, but there's no reward yet because I just claimed it now. In 24 hours time, when I come here to check, I'm going to have reward to claim. So guys, that is all so far. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comment section if you have any problem. If you face any problem completing any of the tasks, let me know. If there's anything, any kind of task you want me to touch on Somnia or any airdrop, always let me know in the comment section. I am here to make your airdrop journey easy and smooth. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends, and bye for now.